Hey, welcome back. Well, hopefully you got a chance to get outdoors today. We saw plenty of sunshine throughout our afternoon. Now those clouds have been rolling in. We're now sitting at 81 degrees. By the time we get into our 8 o'clock hour, expect mostly cloudy conditions throughout the rest of the evening. And right now those winds pretty calm out of the west-southwest at 6 miles per hour. Warm tonight as well. 9 p.m. still looking to be in the low 70s. Up at Mount Hood Meadows right now, some hazy skies. It is currently 62 degrees, a bit breezy as well. We make our way over to Stoller Winery. A little bit of a different scene with those cloudy conditions, and then it's toasty 80 degrees out there in Dayton, Oregon. How about the Tualatin Valley? Well, they're sitting at 81 out in Forest Grove, and those winds out of the south at just 6 miles per hour. Daytime highs up and down the Willamette Valley, getting into the low 80s. Well, then Medford did hit 87 degrees today, and Florence coming in at 68. The Dalles very warm out that way, 88 degrees for their daytime high. Looking at the rest of our evening and for tomorrow as well, when you look at the central part of the state and the south central part of Oregon, that's where we're really looking at that thunderstorm potential. So possibly an isolated thunderstorm for those folks out in central Oregon, but for us here in Portland, Sunday, that is our day. We're going to see those scattered showers. We dry out early in the week, plenty of sunshine as well. And then by the time we get into our Wednesday, maybe just a few showers, light rain come Wednesday. But let's focus in on Sunday. That is when this shortwave trough makes its way into our region. But then quickly, Monday comes and we are going to see ridging yet again over the Pacific Northwest. So Sunday, some active weather possible, like I was mentioning, for central Oregon or southeastern Oregon as well. Lightning, gusty winds, all a possibility for your Sunday. For tonight, about 8:30, that's when the coast could start to see some light rain. But once we get into the overnight hours, 1, 2 a.m., widespread rain for the I-5 corridor along the coast as well. And those showers continue throughout the overnight. Then Sunday morning, here's 6:30 a.m. I point that out because you could see some soaking rain. So heavier rain for those early Sunday morning hours. The rain starts to shift out by the time we get into 8, 9 a.m. But still, early afternoon, could see a lingering shower. By the time we get into our evening, though, those skies do clear out, but Monday morning we'll see those clouds come on through. And then we dry out. Here's what we're expecting throughout our overnight hours. Maybe a 1/10 of an inch both here in Portland and in Vancouver. And then we tack on a little over a 1/10 of an inch here in the metro area, but Southwest Washington could see more soaking rain throughout the Sunday morning hours. And then notice the coast going to see that heavier rain. Also of note, the weather models are not quite agreeing on how much rain Portland could see throughout our Sunday. So maybe just under a 1/4 of an inch, maybe over 4/10 of an inch. We'll see how that shakes out. Here is your Sunday forecast for the coast. Morning showers, then mostly cloudy skies up and down the coast. Low to mid 60s for a daytime high. Here in the Willamette Valley, expecting to reach 71 degrees. And then those overnight lows, either mid 40s or low 50s. We're also expecting calm winds for our Sunday. So starting out with the rain in the morning, could linger into the early afternoon hours, and then looking to top off at 70 degrees or maybe 71 across the metro. But then sunshine arriving Monday and Tuesday, where we heat up Tuesday, mid 80s. Look at that, going to really feel like summer again on Tuesday. Before then, another quick change with our weather pattern, and we'll see a few showers Wednesday, cooler temperatures late in the week.
All right. Well, like you said, the rain's coming, but it'll be mostly in the morning tomorrow,
yes,
to let people know.
Exactly.
So like you said, sleep in.
Yeah, that'll be good.
All right. Well,